Hi guys, it's John here. Just a quick one. Just want to talk about Popsockets and AMS. So first of all, thanks very much for watching my channel. I'm starting to get some even newer subscribers, so thanks very much guys for subscribing. I'm glad that I'm hopefully bringing some form of value to the videos, and you are enjoying watching whatever it is you are enjoying about watching my videos. But thanks guys, keep it up, keep up the subscribes. So anyway, Popsockets, as I was saying, I've recently tiered up to 500, so I've done a video about that. I'll not go into too much about it, but I'm really happy. It's a big feat for me. Now, I'd never actually sold a single pop socket. If you've been watching the channel, you know that I was having problems with pop sockets, and I explained this in a previous video, and some people were kind enough to explain basically what I was doing wrong. And what it was, I was putting Popsocket in the title. Now, I knew that you weren't allowed to do that within the brand name, because obviously Popsocket themselves own the brand name, but I thought you were allowed to do it in the title. But because I made that mistake, that every Popsocket I was putting up was going into processing. So every one I did upload are in processing at the moment. They've been processing, they're probably in processing for the rest of eternity, but I'm not too fussed about that. So what I'd done was I'd fixed the listings. I took Popsockets out of it, basically just re-uploaded a brand new listing but the same design, and just fixed it, rectified the mistake that I made. I was very sceptical about Popsockets because you're actually competing against Popsockets, the people that actually own Popsockets and are actually printing for you. You're competing against them. They sell on Amazon too, and they sell at a very cheap price, $9.99 I believe, and your default price is $14.99, and their designs are pretty good. So I was kind of sceptical based on how you can actually compete against their prices. And then I thought to myself, well, actually, I've looked at a lot of YouTube videos, and a lot of people on Reddit are saying the same thing. Like, it's the same goes with shirts, really. Like, the same definitely goes with shirts. You can have a nice design at $19.99. Somebody can have the exact same design up for $6. A screen printed shirt, which is basically the exact same thing, except they're dealing with the whole process. It's not a print on demand service. So you're competing against people. It's obviously much cheaper, but I think it's really down to design and keywords and just research, marketing, etc. So anyway, I got my first Popsockets uploaded. Skeptical, left it at the default price, $14.99. Within 3 hours I got my first 2 sales. It was the same Popsocket that sold twice, but within 3 hours I got those sales, and I was really happy about that. So any sort of skepticism, that's completely gone now. So I'm just going to keep uploading Popsockets and shirts at the moment. I've not really delved into long sleeve tees or hoodies or anything like that. I tried hoodies before, didn't really have much success. I personally think they're too dear. But I'm quite happy with the way things are going. As you can see here, the sales are consistent. They're not great, but they're consistent, and that's the important thing. Obviously coming into Q4 now, so I suspect that it should hopefully start picking up. I've never had a Q4 on Amazon Merch before, so it should be very interesting, and really hope it starts to pick up. Yeah, AMS. Now, I don't know if anybody has had this problem before. Now, I also use KDP, basically writing books, audio books and create space books, and I had a AMS account with them. So it's now said on my Amazon Merch that I can use AMS for Amazon Merch, and it's given me a code, but the problem I'm getting is when I try and log into AMS, it's just giving me my KDP AMS, and it's just giving me the option to to advertise books. So I'm wondering if anybody else is having this problem. If anybody knows how to fix it, if they can leave that in the comment box, that would be absolutely fantastic, because I'm really having some issues with this. Now, I wasn't really looking to do advertising for it, but I don't like the fact that I feel limited because I can't do it. It's something that I would probably look into in the future. And just if anybody else is having the same problem and someone can resolve it on this channel, it would be absolutely great. If someone can comment if they're having the problem, someone else can comment to say how to fix it, and just basically relay this message on to anyone else that's having these issues. That'd be absolutely fantastic. Like, that's the whole point in this channel. Well, one of the reasons for the channel. So if anybody else is having this issue, I'd like to hear from you, because it says I use it for KDP. Well, I didn't really use it very much for KDP, but I made the account originally for KDP, and now I can't seem to. I can't merge it with my Merc account. I can't do anything else with it. So if anyone knows how to fix that, please let us know. So I think that pretty much wraps us up for today, guys. I just want to talk about Popsockets and AMS. I think I've pretty much covered that. So again, if you've got anything to say, any comments, any tips or regarding this video specifically, please comment, let us know. If you like the video, give us a huge thumbs up, and if you want to see any more, please subscribe. Cheers guys, see you later.